Hello everyone. In today's class, we will discuss one of the questions from ITO 2019 paper from first unit, that is power plant economics. This is numerical type question. The given question is that a power station has a maximum demand of 15 megawatt and a load factor is given 0.7, and a plant capacity factor is also given 0.525, and plant use factor is also given 0.85. Then find out the daily energy produced and reserve capacity of the plant and the maximum energy that could be produced daily if the plant operating schedule is fully loaded when in operation. So the given data in this question is we have maximum demand is given 15 megawatt, and load factor is also given 0.7, and plant capacity factor is also given 0.525, and plant use factor is also given, that is 0.85. So in next couple of slide we will see how to solve this question. So the question is given here also. So first thing we have to calculate is the daily energy produced. The daily energy produced formula is equal to average demand into 24 hours. So first we have to calculate average demand, and for average demand we use the load factor formula. The load factor is equal to average demand divided by the maximum demand. So load factor is given 0.7, average demand we have to calculate, and maximum demand is given 15 megawatt. So our average demand is equal to 15 into 0.7, that is 10.45 megawatt. So daily energy produced is equal to average demand into 24, that is equal to 10.5 into 24, that is 252 megawatt hours. This is our first answer. Next we have to calculate the reserve capacity of the plant. We know that the reserve capacity of the plant is equal to plant capacity minus maximum demand. Maximum demand we already given in question, that is 15 megawatt. So first we have to calculate plant capacity. So for calculating the plant capacity we use the plant capacity factor, that is equal to average demand divided by plant capacity. Plant capacity factor is given, and average demand we already calculated. So plant capacity is equal to average demand divided by plant capacity factor, that is equal to 10.5 divided by 0.525, that is equal to 20 megawatt. So our reserve capacity of the plant is equal to plant capacity, that is 20 megawatt minus maximum demand. So our reserve capacity is equal to 20 minus 15, that is 5 megawatt. This is our second answer. So next we have to calculate the maximum energy that could be produced daily if the plant operating schedule is fully loaded when in operation. So for that we know that the maximum energy that could be produced per day is equal to actual energy produced in a day divided by the plant use factor. So actual energy produced in a day we have already calculated, that is 252 megawatt hour, and plant use factor is given, that is 0.85. So 252 divided by 0.85 is equal to 296.470 megawatt hour per day. This is our third answer.